So here we are again, same old boat ramp, no guessing this time. Unless you didn't watch the other video, which then you're not a good subscriber, and ugh, you know. But beautiful day. Just got the steering resealed for a whopping $300. But this guy lives over there in a sailboat, no sails or anything. Here she is, new sealing. So it'll probably leak today because I haven't cleaned it yet, but after I clean it, she won't leak again. This cleat's broken, so I have to MacGyver it. Effective today, it is now legally required to wear your kill switch. Or not starting today, but first day out with me since then, so. Which I always wear mine anyway. There she goes. Oh yeah, the steering is magnificent now. So I think what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go out here. I'm gonna open her up just for the hell of it, and then we'll fish some docks and stuff and see how it goes. It's been kind of warm recently, so I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna put the chest mount on and get some fishing video. As per usual, I don't know if you guys will even see this or not, but you never know. So I'll see you guys then. Well, this is gonna be probably the quickest video ever. So I don't know if you guys can tell what's wrong here, but so I launched with you guys and I didn't record it because I was like, man, they want to see more fishing. So I took off that way. Got it, like, it took a while to get on plane. I couldn't figure out why. So we got out there and I got the boat up to 50. I was like, okay, like, she runs good. I was playing with the new steering and having a grand old time. And then when I got off plane, a bunch of water sucked up through the little hole that's under that. Let me turn that alarm off. But it sucked up through that little bit of water that's right there. Bilge pump's still going. It sucked up through that little bit of water right there. It sucked up through a little bit of water right there, and I was like, oh shit, like I didn't put the plug in. So I came blown. I got it right back on plane because I was like, oh shit, like I could barely get it on plane the first time. And so I ran back through here, and obviously don't tell FWC, I did not stop at the no wake sign, and I cruised right up onto the ramp, and I'm like pulling up to the ramp pretty quick, and I stand up. I had to take my kill switch off because I knew law, which I wear it anyway, but I had to take the kill switch off. Still going. But I had to take the kill switch off, lift the motor, run it to the front, catch it before I hit the concrete. And then I'm sitting there in my shirt and everything, basically swimming in the water, trying to get my cork in. And what I was doing wrong this whole time was I was sitting there under the water and I was feeling this. I was like, hey, it's along here, so I'm sitting in this gator infested water, running my hand all up and down this, looking for the plug, but it's actually down here. And I remember that, so I'm like completely underwater, and I didn't think the pump actually fit in this hole. So I'm freaking, I was trying to get to this one, but I was like, the little ones are right next to it. And so I found that one, and I found this one. I was like, okay, that's it. And I plugged it. And sadly, that's not the end of the story. So I got it plugged. I'm sitting there, I'm watching the bilge pump. I'm like, okay, everything's going okay. Then I realized eventually, I'm like, this water's not stopping. Maybe I got a hole or something worse. Because I mean, it's a lot of water. And so finally I turned around. I got on the ramp and I was like, okay, let me just get the truck. So I backed the truck down really quick, like all over the other lane. And I got it onto I got the boat, or the truck in the lane, and then the boat was about 10 feet over there somehow. I mean, I sat here for like 30 minutes trying to pump it out, and more like 15. It didn't move an inch. So I was like, okay, no need to take it to the dock where it could sink. I'll just leave it right here. And then of course I backed the trailer down. It's like 10 yards that way. So I gotta swim there and get the boat, and then it's not bleeding right now, but I got a pretty good gash on both sides of my feet from the rocks out there. But yeah, I mean, the hydraulics didn't work great. Almost flooded the boat. And the scariest part, I didn't even mention this, but for some reason, when I first like saw the water coming through, first instinct obviously was, okay, I just need to turn on the bilge pump. And I guess, I don't know if I didn't see it or what, but I didn't see the bilge pump working, so I was like, oh, my batteries are probably already under. Like, while the motor's on, I need to freaking hightail it. But yeah, I mean, it'll be a quick video for you guys, but I'll throw some extra clips in there from working on the boat. But yeah, hydraulic fluid just got changed, so no more leaking in the water after I soap all this out. God, that was scary. I will see you guys on the other side.
Well, no, did you see the guy? Did you see the guy throwing the wake?
The other chip you get thrown off?
He did it and then just stopped throwing the wake. Really? He did it just for us to hit.
Man,
that's like Justin said, it's a safe way to be thrown off.
Now
when you're just there, you're like, oh.
My brother got pissed. My sister and I didn't fall off.
He did not fall.